What's up? This your boy Dre. Welcome to the Scent Code, where I give you the code to your next fragrance. On today's episode, we're going to be exploring a niche company. I've been hearing a lot of things about this company. This is my first time getting a hold of their fragrance. I really like the fragrance that I'm going to be talking about today. You have designer and you have niche. Niche is just another word for a company that makes fragrances and fragrance only, where designer typically makes fragrances along with other things like Louis Vuitton. They make Imagination along with other different fragrances, and they also make clothes and shoes and other things. Niche are fragrance houses that make strictly fragrances. And today I'm going to be talking about Xerjoff Renaissance. You have a nice frosted bottle here. You check the back of it out. It has, I'm not for sure if the camera can pick that up, it has some really nice engraving. You have a really nice weighted gold cap. And you have the letter X for Xerjoff on the atomizer. Then when we look at the box, you have a real nice cushion, leather type vibe box here. Then when you open the fragrance, your fragrance will sit in the inside here, and it was covered up when I got it, but you pull that back, your fragrance will fit in the inside of there. I really like this fragrance. Since we're in the springtime, after spring, you're going to head into summer, you're going to want a fragrance that's going to be real light. You don't want a fragrance that's going to be real heavy in the hotter temperatures. And Renaissance, to me, checks off all of those boxes. In the fragrance community, you have notes. Notes are the particular ingredients that makes up that fragrance. You have your top notes, that's the initial blast when you spray the fragrance. Then you have the middle notes. That's after the fragrance has been on your skin for a little bit. And then you have your base notes, which is the tail end of what your nose will pick up on for the life of that fragrance. So with that being said, for the top notes, you have lemon, tangerine, bergamot, and petitgrain. For your middle notes, you have mint, lily of the valley, and rose. And for your base notes, you have musk, cedar, amber, and patchouli. So the presentation is very nice on this bottle. It'll look real good in your collection, but I know you're here for the juice, what it smells like. So spraying it, you got a real nice atomizer. Yeah, man, this smells really good. It's a real smooth citrus smell. A lot of times when you have a fresh citrus scent, sometimes when you spray it, it can be a little harsh on the nose. But this fragrance here is just a smooth, soft, well-balanced fragrance. It's like smelling it, I'm smelling nothing but fruit. I'm smelling that citrus, that lemon, the tangerine, the bergamot. It's just very well blended together. And shortly after spraying that, the mint kicks in. I feel like for the life of this fragrance, I smell lemon and mint, more so of a mint smell than the lemon after it dries down a little bit. On skin, this lasts me 8 to 10 hours. Easy, which is really good for a fresh scent, because a lot of times when you have a fresh summer scent, spring summer scent, you will have to reapply, but after so many hours. But spraying this, I'm getting 8 to 10 hours easily. This fragrance here is a little bit more on the pricier side than a lot of the fragrances that I purchase. You can get this around $180, but it's well worth it for a 3.4 ounce, and to do around 3 to 4 sprays and to get 8 to 10 hours of longevity, being a fresh, citrus, smooth scent. I mean, to me, it's a very good investment. On the base note, I'm smelling that that amber and that musk kind of kicks in too, mixed in with the mint. If you're looking for a warm weather fragrance, this one here fits the bill, in my opinion. This is your boy Dre. Thanks for checking out today's episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.